How to edit an event on Google Calendar. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit an event on Google Calendar easily. So first thing you have to do, go to Google Calendar. Now this is the home page, and now click on the event like this, and now click here in the top on this pencil. And here you go. Now right here you can edit anything you want on your event, and after you finish, click save and it will be saved. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.